Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Chevrolet Express, a vehicle that has long stood as a symbol of dependability, power, and practicality in the world of full-size vans. The 2026 model marks a significant evolution for this legendary workhorse, bringing together modern design elements, improved efficiency, advanced technology, and a more refined driving experience while maintaining the rugged durability that business owners, fleet operators, and adventure enthusiasts have trusted for decades. The Chevrolet Express has always been about purpose-driven engineering, and the 2026 version carries this legacy forward while embracing innovation and sustainability. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Express showcases a refreshed look that subtly modernizes its classic silhouette. The front fascia now features a sleeker grille design with chrome or blacked-out finishes depending on the trim level, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body structure that improves efficiency without compromising strength. Chevrolet engineers have enhanced the structural integrity with lightweight yet durable materials, helping improve fuel economy and overall handling. The boxy, functional design remains intact because practicality still rules the segment, allowing for maximum cargo capacity and easy upfitting options for commercial users. Available in both cargo and passenger configurations, the 2026 Express offers multiple wheelbase options and roof heights to accommodate everything from delivery fleets to shuttle services and camper conversions. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Express offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options designed to meet various performance needs. The base model comes equipped with an updated 4.3-liter V6 engine featuring direct injection and variable valve timing, producing a smooth balance of power and fuel economy ideal for light-duty applications. For those requiring more strength, Chevrolet continues to offer its proven 6.6-liter V8 gas engine, delivering robust torque and impressive towing capacity for heavy-duty work. However, the biggest news for 2026 is the introduction of an all-new electric version. Yes, the Chevrolet Express EV, which brings the brand's electric vehicle expertise from models like the Silverado EV and Blazer EV into the commercial space. The electric variant is powered by GM's Ultium battery platform, offering an estimated range of up to 300 miles on a full charge, rapid DC fast charging capabilities, and instant torque for quick acceleration even when fully loaded. This electrified Express promises not only zero emissions but also reduced maintenance costs and quieter operation, making it a compelling option for businesses looking to go green without compromising capability. A diesel option also remains available for those who prioritize long-haul fuel economy and torque, continuing Chevrolet's commitment to offering flexibility for every type of user. Inside the 2026 Chevrolet Express, comfort meets functionality in a well-thought-out cabin that caters to both the driver and passengers. The dashboard layout has been redesigned with a modern, driver-focused approach, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.4-inch central infotainment touchscreen running on the latest Chevrolet Infotainment 4 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and over-the-air software updates come standard, allowing for seamless connectivity on the go. Chevrolet has also prioritized ergonomics, giving the driver better visibility, upgraded materials, and improved seat cushioning for long hours behind the wheel. Storage compartments are strategically placed throughout the cabin, with more USB-C ports and power outlets for added convenience. Passenger versions of the Express now offer enhanced comfort features such as tri-zone climate control, premium upholstery options, and improved sound insulation, making it an ideal choice for airport shuttles, tour operators, or large family transport. Meanwhile, the cargo variant focuses on versatility, with flat load floors, reinforced tie-downs, and smart cargo management solutions designed for upfit customization, perfect for tradespeople, delivery services, and mobile workshops. Safety, a crucial factor in modern vehicle design, has been significantly upgraded in the 2026 Express. It now comes standard with Chevrolet's Safety Assist suite, including features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, front pedestrian braking, and IntelliBeam automatic high beams. Optional safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree HD surround vision camera system, which makes maneuvering this large van easier and safer. In addition, the structure of the Express has been reinforced with high-strength steel for better crash protection, while electronic stability control, traction control, and trailer sway assist systems ensure confident handling across all driving conditions. For the first time, Chevrolet is also offering a driver attention monitoring system to detect signs of fatigue or distraction, reflecting the company's commitment to safety in both commercial and personal use. In terms of utility, the 2026 Chevrolet Express remains unmatched in its class. The cargo version offers an impressive payload capacity of over 4,200 pounds and can tow up to 10,000 pounds when properly equipped with the V8 engine. The available dual rear wheel setup enhances stability and load-bearing capacity, ideal for towing or hauling heavy equipment. The rear doors open wide to nearly 270 degrees, and the side sliding door ensures easy access even in tight urban spaces. For businesses, Chevrolet continues to offer fleet management services with integrated telematics, real-time tracking, and maintenance reminders through the Chevrolet Business Solutions program. Additionally, the new Express supports upfit integrations through GM's Fleet Upfit portal, making it easier for businesses to customize the van for plumbing, electrical, HVAC, delivery, or passenger shuttle applications. The electric Express variant can even power tools and external equipment using its available vehicle-to-load V2L functionality, turning it into a mobile workstation on wheels. Performance-wise, the 2026 Express continues to deliver the rugged dependability it's known for. Its suspension system has been refined for better ride comfort and reduced body roll, even when fully loaded. The electric power steering system offers more precision and reduced driver fatigue, especially in city traffic or during parking maneuvers. The transmission lineup includes an upgraded 10-speed automatic gearbox for gas engines and a single-speed direct drive unit for the EV, ensuring smooth power delivery across all versions. Chevrolet engineers have worked hard to optimize NVH noise, vibration, and harshness levels, resulting in a quieter cabin and smoother drive. Whether you're hauling cargo across town or transporting passengers across the country, the Express continues to provide a reliable, confident, and durable driving experience that few competitors can match. Customization is another area where the 2026 Chevrolet Express shines. Chevrolet offers several trims and configurations, including the Express 2500, 3500, and 4500, each with unique capabilities. Buyers can choose from basic work-focused models with durable vinyl seats and minimal frills, or opt for more premium versions with leather seating, advanced tech packages, and luxury features designed for executive shuttle services or camper van conversions. The electric model will come in two range options: standard and extended, providing flexibility for short-distance urban delivery or long-distance fleet operations. The 2026 Express also supports remote keyless entry, push-button start, and the My Chevrolet mobile app, which allows owners to remotely monitor vehicle status, locate their van, and even precondition the cabin temperature. Chevrolet has also focused on sustainability and long-term cost efficiency. With rising fuel prices and stricter emission standards, the new Express S mix of gasoline, diesel, and electric options allows businesses to choose what best fits their operational needs. The electric version, in particular, is expected to appeal to fleet operators seeking to reduce their carbon footprint and qualify for government incentives for electric commercial vehicles. Maintenance intervals have been extended thanks to advanced materials and improved engine designs, which means fewer service visits and lower ownership costs over time. When it comes to competition, the 2026 Chevrolet Express continues to battle rivals like the Ford Transit, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and Ram ProMaster. However, Chevrolet's focus on reliability, power, and new electric innovation helps it maintain a strong position in the market. The brand's vast dealer network, proven track record, and extensive parts availability further enhance the Express's value proposition. For those considering turning the Express into a camper van, the 2026 model offers even more appeal, as the flat floor design, available high roof option, and robust electrical system make it an ideal platform for van life conversions. In short, the 2026 Chevrolet Express is not just a van, it's a symbol of versatility and strength that adapts to any challenge. Whether you're a business owner in need of a reliable work partner, a fleet manager optimizing operations, or an individual seeking a base for adventure, the new Express delivers the right mix of power, technology, safety, and customization. It carries forward decades of trust while embracing the future through electric innovation and smarter design. Chevrolet's commitment to durability and performance is evident in every aspect of this vet.